Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today weather seems to be very nice, so we plan to go to Meiling Mountains and then to a waterfall over there, which is around 32 kilometers from downtown of Nanchang. Here you can see total nature. So without wasting your time, let's go. On our way, we saw a Buddhist temple over there, so we decided to go inside it. This peace, greenery seems to be so soothing to our mind. I'm really happy. That's a hanging bridge. I can't take chance of losing my phone, but still I'm gonna capture it. Adult ticket is 30 yuan. There is a special discount for students studying here in China. After showing our student card, we can get the tickets at half the price. So I got it for 15 yuans. After walking for 1 to 2 kilometers, I am finally going to reach our waterfall. I am really excited to see it because I love waterfalls and I love bathing on it. And this nature is so relaxing. Are you ready for it? It's huge. Water is so cool and I am going to bathe on. It's time to leave. I would be coming with a new vlog. Who am new? Please write your views on comment box.